Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to use the Move All feature in build mode in Heartopia. This is a super useful tool, especially for beginners who are still learning the building system in Heartopia. So sometimes when you are decorating or building a house, you may want to move an entire sections of furniture or building materials to a different spot without this feature, you have to move everything one by one, which takes a lot of time and can mess up your layout. So you need to use this feature. And to use it, first just enter the build mode. Just tap on the solo build. And then after that, just tap on the top right corner icon, this icon, to enter the advanced mode like this. And then in here, just tap on this icon, this move all icon, this one. And then after that, just simply select all the furniture and building pieces that you want to move together. For example, I want to choose this one and then in like this. For example, like this. And then after that, just tap on move all. And then now just simply drag it. And then next, just drag the entire set up to your desired locations. Like this, you can just drag it together like this. And when you're happy with the positions, just tap on the check mark to confirm it like this. You can see it's already moved together like this. And okay, that's it. A simple but incredible useful feature that can make build and remodeling your house much faster in Heartopia. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.